Hi everyone, my name is Valezka. I am a primary 5 student in Sekolah Cahaya Cemerlang. Today, I will do a science experiment with makeup. I chose makeup because I got the inspiration from my auntie.
Hi, my name is Maureen and I'm Valezka auntie.
If you need a makeup artist, you can contact my auntie by my mom. In this science experiment, I will do it with makeup and by mixing it by cold water and hot water. This experiment, I will use makeup remover, Vaseline, foundation, face mask, eyeliner, nail polish, mascara, lipstick, and eyeshadow. Now, I'm going to put the hot water and cold water into these glasses. You can also do this at home, but first, parents' permission. Let's start! So the first one is, I'm going to put foundation. Take a glass and pour the foundation. And first I'm going to pour the cold water. A bit more. Now I'm going to mix it. There's a lot of little foundation that hasn't been mixed yet, but it mixed. So yeah. Now I'm going to put it with hot water. Here's the hot water. Be careful. So as you can see, there are no difference, but in the hot water, there are little lumps under here. Maybe in the camera you cannot see, but in real life you can see it. Actually, I just found out the difference. This one, the cold one, there's still like little things in the top, but with hot water it mixed really well. There are differences. So the second is, I'm going to do it with face mask. First you put the mask. And then this time I'm going to put hot water first. As you can see, there are still little lumps inside, but it mixed well. Now, I'm going to put the mask in this cup. And I'm going to mix it with cold water. This time, don't put too much. Enough. I'm going to mix it. Let's see. Oh, this one actually mixed well. It mixed well, just like the hot one. But like the foundation, it doesn't mix well in the bottom part. See, there's still lumps in the spoon. And yeah, because of cold. This one kind of turned out good because the face mask and the foundation kind of melt. So yeah. Now I'm going to do it with Vaseline. This time I'm going to use a spoon because yeah, it's hard to get it with. But I'm going to use this chopstick for okay, now first I'm going to use I'm going to use cold water first. Just a little bit. I don't think it will mix well. As I expected, it's not doing anything because this is like oil, and oil can't mix with water, especially with cold water. But let's try it with hot water. Now let's put this hot water. Actually, this one is worse. It's not happening. It's literally not mixing, so yeah. Now I'm going to mix it with eyeshadow. Okay, so let's do with the broken one. Oops. Okay, I think that's enough. Now I'm going to mix it with, let's do cold water first. Actually, this is hot water, so. I'm going to use a chopstick. A little bit more. It's actually kind of dividing with like oil and water, but this one is with eyeshadow. But from the top, it looks like glittery water. So yeah, now I'm going to mix it with cold water. I'm going to use a different color because this one is already finished. By the way, this is already not used, so I'm using the old ones, but not yet expired. Okay, so let's mix it with cold water. Actually, I'm surprised this time because unlike this one with hot water, it's really like blurry and things. I thought it will happen with the cold one, but look, it's very clear in the middle. Not very, but it's clear. From the top, it looks like this one, glittery water, but as you can see, it's different. So yeah. Now I'm going to use makeup remover. Pour the makeup remover into the glass. Then I'm going to put the cold water first. I don't think it's going to like happen anything. It smells good. Nothing happens, but there are like little bubbles at the top part, and it changed color, like I don't like foggy. Now I'm going to mix it with hot water. Let's put the hot water. As you can see, nothing happens, but there are differences. This one is foggy because of the cold water, and this one is still clear because it's hot water, and like it's not foggy, but the cold one really foggy. So here are the difference. Next, I'm going to use it with lipstick. Say goodbye to mommy's lipstick. Let's cut it. Just a little bit more. Okay. Don't worry, my mom will not get mad. And I'm going to use cold water first. Actually, let's use this. Let's like smash it, or maybe it will melt. Okay, this is cold water. Nothing happens actually. It's just water with lipstick. If you see it from here, it's just water with lipstick. Nothing happens because I think this is cold, but let's try it with hot water. Move this aside. If your hands get messy, don't worry. You will clean your hands after that. Close it first. Now let's do it with hot water. Sorry for the mess. Oh, it actually melts. It kind of melts. The lipstick's getting squashier because I don't know how to say that. It's getting squashier because I think it melts. Let's try putting more. Wait, sorry, that's hot water. Oh yeah, it kind of melts. Actually, see, the water is kind of turning red. Even though it's made of oil, but the hot water can actually melt like only a little bit, but yeah, it's still it's melting. So for these three things, the mascara, the nail polish, and the eyeliner, I'm going to need my auntie's help because it's kind of hard to get the liquid out. So this time, I'm going to put the water first into the glass and then the liquid. So this actually melts, but there's still like little dust, little mascara dust, and it melts because of the hot water. But let's try it with the cold water. Okay, so it's the same, but this one actually mix well. There are no little dust, but this one have little dust. Also, it's the same, the color's the same, but this one is like kind of blurry because of the cold water. So yeah. Next, I'm going to use the eyeliner. I'm going to start with the hot water first. We're going to dip it. Wow. So what happens is it dissolves, and look, the eyeliner kind of disappears in the brush, but look, it dissolved. It's turning into black water. So yeah, now let's try with the cold one. Let's see what happens. It's actually the same, but I don't think this mixes well as this one because I think it's because of the cold water. But mostly no difference. The last one is nail polish. Okay, so first we put the water first. Nail polish and water doesn't, like, literally, it doesn't mix, not even a bit. So yeah, doesn't mix a bit. Look, it still sticks there. Now let's try with the cold water. Same thing with the cold water. Nothing happens. It doesn't want to mix even a bit. See? It's not happening. So yeah. So now I'm going to use the Vaseline. Okay, so I'm going to use, I'm going to use the cold water first. It's not going to mix because it's cold water and it doesn't melt. So it's not mixing at all. But it's not mixing. So yeah, let's try with the hot water. Okay, let's try with the hot water. Okay, I hope the water is not hot. Okay, it's not that hot. Actually, this one melts. Yeah, it's mixing. See, it changes the color. So yeah, these are the difference. This one doesn't mix, but this one kind of mix. Okay, so we are done with our science experiment. You can try this at home, but parents' permission. Bye-bye! See you next time. God bless you!